Hello everyone, in this video we are going to perform lexical analysis using Python. So what are lexicons? So lexicon is basically in simple terms a vocabulary of a language. So we are going to use NLP in this. So NLP helps us understand the sentences. Here you can see how are you doing. So here you can see it has extracted the adverbs, auxiliary verbs, pronouns, verbs, all of this program has identified. So for this we are going to use a Python package known as spacey underscore streamlit. So here is the code for that. First of all, we are going to import a package known as spacey. So what this spacey package does is the previously mentioned I said NLP. It is breaking down its sentences into meaningful structures known as tokens and then finding the correlation between them. And we can do much more from this package that I'm going to explain you when we use this program. So first of all, we are going to take two models in the models variable, Encore WebSM and Encore WebMD, and we are going to put in the default text as Sundar Pichai is the CEO of Google. So this is the default text that is going to be analyzed, and then we are going to use dot visualize function to use this model on default underscore text. So we don't have to create a web interface because this package name is spacey underscore streamlit and it already creates a simple web interface for us. So now I'm going to execute this program and show you the web interface and how this spacey streamlit package works and what it has to offer. So to execute this, we are going to use the command streamlit space run space the name of the Python file. So we are going to execute this. So here, as we can see here, we have a default text and it has broken down into some meaningful portions known as tokens. Here you can see it is able to identify it as proper noun, auxiliary verb, articles, proper noun, and so you get the idea that it is able to identify the different parts of the statement and what it's a proper noun, it's a adjective, it's an adverb. So we can, to get this in a neat little format, we can click on compact mode. Here you can see, and now here you can see it has some things known as entities. For example, Sundar Pichai person is an entity. It is our program is able to identify that Sundar Pichai is a person and Google is an organization. If you see in this sidebar, it can analyze, it can get many more entities such as language, person, quantity. For example, I'm going to take an example of quantity. I'm going to replace this statement with I have 10 kgs of potatoes. As you can see, 10 kgs have been properly identified here. Now I am using the statement I can speak English. Our program is able to correctly identify it's a language. As you can see, it is like it has many different entities that it can identify, and we also have one useful little program in here. As you can see, it is able to generate a correlation between two words. For example, I am taking one word known as carrot, which is a vegetable, and potato. Here we can see if we input carrot and potato, we get a similarity score of 77% because they're both vegetables. Now if I replace this potato with chair, which are not in the same category, this C. Now the score is only 13%. So this was all about the correlation. Here when I first talked about tokens, as you can see, our program has broken down our sentence into some tokens. As you can see, Sundar Pichai is the CEO of Google. Each word is broken down as a token and categorized. And so that's it for this video, and thanks for watching.